Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a Beyblade Burst Rise unboxing. It's the 2-pack of Behemoth and Cyclops C5 and Shield Kerbeus K5. Finally, yes, I know I haven't got it in this yet. Yeah, but yeah. This is the fifth Beyblade for Kerbeus. Hopefully for Beyblade Burst Surge, they'll actually do the sparking version of a Surge for Kerbeus. Get that out of here without breaking my shit. My TV. Here's the code. The head actually looks pretty cool. Another one of these. Another one. Oh god, and a white yeah, this one is pretty good, so I'm happy about this. Boom. I'm probably gonna give this 10. A 10. So yeah, I'll give this 10. For the videos, for the battle videos with him, I'll give him a 10. And probably a defense driver, maybe, yeah. Well, actually, yeah, never mind. And here's the code. But yeah, the Kerbeus line is done for right now. Okay, because I'm keeping stuff in stock. So yeah, Kerbeus K2, K3, K4, and finally K5. It's pretty tight though, but yeah. This was a quickie. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.